only on 12, a local mother who adopted a girl from Siberia is speaking out for the first time about the new law banning Americans from adopting any more Russian children. News 12 Connecticut's Frank Recchia is in the newsroom. And Frank, I understand this mom is calling the new rule barbaric.
Roger, the ban is widely seen as Russian payback for a new American law imposing travel and financial restrictions on human rights abusers in their country. And many here in southwestern Connecticut say the payback is painful.
Our daughter is from Siberia.
Lisa and her husband Michael adopted their 15-year-old daughter Anya from Russia when she was 7 years old.
There are so many children in Russia that are in need of families.
And like the Matryoshka dolls on the family's mantle that go one inside the other, the fit was perfect.
She likes One Direction.
So when President Vladimir Putin led the effort to ban Americans from adopting Russian children,
that made me angry.
Lisa was in disbelief.
I feel really, really sorry for the families who are in the middle of the adoption process, who suddenly have had the rug pulled out from underneath them.
She says Anya, with her sweet smile and nurturing nature, is a powerful link to a horrifying crisis.
These are human lives we're talking about.
Safe herself, but a symbol of those suffering due to what Lisa calls Putin's cruelest policy.
He's basically picking on the most vulnerable and the weakest of his own citizens. That doesn't make sense to me.
This is just horrible. Whoever came up with this ridiculous law as an idea, it's inhumane.
Immigration expert Alex Meyerovich is a refugee of the former USSR. He's calling on state and federal lawmakers to condemn the adoption ban.
Imagine an orphanage with 500 kids, and suddenly the parents show up and they pick one. It's like winning a lottery. This kid is going to make it.
Lisa says that kind of hope has just been shot down for 50 American families close to finalizing their adoptions, one of whom are good friends of hers.
It's just not fair to use children as pawns.
And those who support the ban say adoptive American parents have a long history of being abusive. Those we spoke with say that charge is baseless and ridiculous. In the newsroom, Frank Recchia, News 12 Connecticut.